Lei hou ma everyone, I'm Will Young. These are just a few of my favorite kitchen hacks that I hope you'll find valuable.
If you're blending something like turmeric, it'll leave your vitamix with a yellow stain. Simply wash in soapy water, rinse, and leave it in the sunlight for a day or two.
After you let the sun do its magic, your vitamix will be clear and happy again. It's actually quite dangerous to have a cutting board that's sliding around because when you're chopping, you'll just keep on moving and you won't have full control.
Place a damp towel underneath your cutting board.
Now the easiest way to peel a piece of ginger is to use a spoon.
Scrape off the skin on a ginger.
And you have this amazing piece of ginger ready to go. If you're short on powdered sugar or you just need a tiny bit, just simply blend up regular sugar in a blender or a coffee grinder. This is one of my favorites because I don't actually have a dish rack.
If you have items that can't go through the dishwasher, simply wash them in the sink and let them dry in the washer rack.
Now, if your stove breaks down or you just want a after dinner snack,
Mason jar, vegetables. Fill with water. Lid. Place in the dishwasher if you're running it on high heat.
I hope these kitchen hacks will add value to your everyday kitchen use. If you're new to this channel, Lei hou ma and welcome. Be sure to explore my other recipes ranging from vegan ramen to vegan turmeric lattes, matcha lattes, and even vegan Nutella. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode. There's brand new episodes, your everyday kitchen use. My other channels, incredible drinks like vegan matcha latte. Ugh.